And right now we have some breaking news out of Nashville, a city in shock after a tornado ripped through the city overnight, killing more than 20 people and causing some massive damage there.
Sean Lewis has been keeping an eye on developments for us this afternoon.
Yeah, hundreds of people already reported injured. The official number of people killed in this storm now at least 22. That includes 16 people in Putnam County, about 80 miles outside of Nashville. From downtown Nashville to suburban and rural areas, Tennessee is reeling in the wake of a rash of tornadoes.
There it is! Go! Inside! Up!
The storm hitting shortly before 1 a.m. while most people were in bed.
It sounded like gunshots going off. We heard the windows blowing in, and then we saw the water leaking through the ceiling, and we just grabbed the baby and started to pack everything up as fast as we could.
And so you were able to get your daughter out. 3 months old?
Yeah, she slept through the whole thing. So I made a few trips back just to get all the essentials, but yeah, no, we're very fortunate.
The storm moved nearly straight west to east, stretching several miles, spawning several tornadoes, one of them hitting the John II Regional Airport outside of Nashville, upending small planes and laying waste to several hangars. Nearby, through the flashes of lightning, you can make out that tornado and its path from the perspective of a doorbell camera.
It's surreal. I feel like I'm in a movie. It's just so sad.
In Nashville's upscale Germantown neighborhood, roofs are ripped off of buildings and some cars were picked up and dropped by the storm.
We all worry about some people being left in buildings that have been damaged, and I know the first responders are working their way through that.
FEMA officials are on the ground, and President Trump announced he will make a stop there on Friday.
Our hearts are full of sorrow for the lives that were lost. It's a vicious thing. Those tornadoes, I've seen many of them during a 3-year period, and I've gotten to see the results, and they are vicious. If you're in their path, it's bad things happen. There's really bad things happen.
The storm did impact voting in Tennessee today, one of the 14 Super Tuesday states. The governor there announcing that polls would be open a bit longer, an hour longer in some of those areas impacted by the storm.